Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Chill Guy, the meme, and Godzilla as one character. It's going to be real simple, step by step. Let's hop into it right now. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over the mixture between Chill Guy and Godzilla. All right, so let's kind of hop into it right now. It's going to be pretty simple. Let's do it. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw a line right there, kind of for the top of the snout of, Godzilla Chill Guy. Down right here. Line across. Smiley there. Gonna go right here as well for the bottom of this. For the bottom of the kind of snout area, we're gonna merge the way he is right there. Curve over here for the head, because that silhouette is incredibly important. Downward right there. Downward right there. And we're gonna curve along the bottom right here. He's gonna be wearing that shirt. Let's put some teeth right here, sticking down, a la Godzilla. Don't forget I go live every day. Hit me up. I'm gonna go live publicly every day, and I'm also gonna live sometimes behind the scenes, in the membership area. So sign up for that. Let's go over here for the eyes. And for the eyes, I'm gonna go line right there for one eye. Line over here for the other. Curve right there. Yeah, it's gonna be close together because they're a la Godzilla. Line right there for the nasal part of the nose. Let's go over here now. Out right there for the elbow. In, up. Think of this arm right here as like kind of like, I don't know, like two blocks stuck together, kind of like two Legos you're moving around. Line over here at the front of the sweater. Curve right here. Line over here. Line, 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 line. Down right there. Down right there. Curve line right here, just kind of splitting the pants right in the middle there. Line right there. And then line right here. And then we're going to draw little lines right there for the folding of the pants, right? That's kind of like the whole thing there. Right on. Going to go over here the far end. And I'm going to find the sweater on the far end. Line, line. Line, line. Line right here. Down, 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 down. Curve. Curve underneath. Line right there. Down over here. Line up right there for the shoe. Gonna go over here on this side. And don't forget, if there's any mixtures that you want to see drawn, like let me know and we'll go over them. Curve right here, line underneath, line underneath. Line right there for kind of the lace area. And then over here we're gonna curve right here for the folded of the pants. And then what I'm still gonna do is I'm gonna draw the tail back there, right? Okay, so what are we missing right now? We're obviously missing the spikes, right? Godzilla spikes right here. So we draw relatively small, go a little bit bigger, right there. Something like that. And we'll just kind of make them peek out the back over here, and they're getting a little bit smaller and smaller right there. So you have the spikes right there coming out the back. Whew. So, forgive me. Let's go into a little bit of detail. So let's go over here and draw a thin line down and a thin line over here, kind of separating those layers. And I'm going to go over here and draw a line like underneath right here for the snake belly. Curve across there. And maybe a little bit across the stomach, but not all the way right there. Let's draw some more folds over here along the armpit, because that's kind of where the tension is, right? Where you're bending at the elbow, you're bending at the armpit. Maybe a line right here underneath the eyes, but a lot of this stuff is, line right there, line right there, line right there. Right here. Cool. And what I want to do as well is I want to throw that thick line on the outside, because I think this version of I don't even know what this guy's name would be. Chill guy, Godzilla. I don't know. Give me a name and I'll pin it. Just give me any name that you think would suit this character. But I'm just gonna throw a slightly thicker line on the outside of it, because I think that is appropriate. Line over here. Right here, we're just kind of drawing the line on the outside. I don't know if I said this already, I might have, but I'm going live every day. If I did, forgive me if I mentioned it already. I really cannot remember if I mentioned it like a few minutes ago. I'm going live all the time, and so definitely let me know, right? Let me know. Well, actually, check me out, because, like I said, find me right there going live. You're going live quite a lot. And it's going to be on the membership area and then also on the free area. All right, I want you to share the video. And after you share the video, I want you to stay here. And we're going to go into the next drawing lesson right now. So let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.